Hi, this is Brenda Sampson, and we're doing session 3 journal entry. And so we're going to start out with reflecting on session 1. As Alder and Proctor point out, whether using electronic media or speaking in person, we communicate for the same fundamental reasons: to satisfy our physical, social, identity, and practical needs. And communication with others helps our physical well-being, as well as bonding us with others. And it identifies our communication and helps us get what we want in situations as well. Reflecting on my relationships with self, God, and others, I am made aware that I am walking out a dry season in my life regarding relationships with others. And I'm living in gratitude to God, knowing that He is working it all out for good. And my steps are definitely ordered taking this class for that reason right there. So in reflection on session 1 journal entry, I am definitely an extrovert, and I'm a very optimistic thinker. I can be really bubbly around people, and sometimes that can be overwhelming for others around me. And so with that, I know that personal growth is something that I always strive for. And so this class is definitely helping with that as well. And with reflecting actually on session 2 discussion, our culture impacts our perspective on life. So, and what impacts our culture is our religion and our spirituality. So I wanted to share my religion with you. My religion is from James chapter 1 verse 27, which is God's perfect religion, and that is to love the orphans, widows, and the fatherless in their time of distress, and to keep oneself undefiled from the world. So pure and undefiled from the world. So by faith, I have confidence knowing that that is what God is producing in my life, and I'm happy to be able to share that with you as well. So as my world is unfolding, my relationships with others around me are being shaped by God's hand. He is using this class in my life to bring clarity to what a healthy relationship looks like. Unfortunately, I've only had unhealthy relationships in my life, as I grew up in a very unhealthy environment, and I've been going from unhealthy to unhealthy relationships. So God is cleansing that out from my life right now, and so this class is definitely helping with that. And, reflecting on Parrot and Parrot from page 89, they say the friends we keep the longest are the friends who forgive us the most. And the essence of a friendship is knowing what to overlook. And what I learned from that book as well is that pride, getting rid of pride, has a lot to do with quality and healthy relationships. And I have always neglected myself in a relationship, and that in itself is pride. And so from page 109 from Real Relationships, it says from Parrot and Parrot that this quality of forgiveness is accomplished by setting our pride aside and trying our best to see the situation from the other person's perspective. So what God has shown me from this is that if I look at the other person's perspective in any situation, it'll be easier for me to forgive myself and then forgive them in the situation. And all in all, it's going to bring a fruitful friendship and a healthy relationship. So in closing, I just want to share that I am in a dry season in my life, and with my personal relationships. And I am full of gratitude that my steps have been ordered to take this class for such a time as this. God has been strengthening my self-esteem, my self-worth, and myself as far as my soulish realm is concerned through this class. And He is continuing to do that, and He will continue to build on that foundation after this class as well. And as He begins to allow others into my life again, my supported root or foundation in Him will bring life to every friendship, and no longer will I take the other person for granted. So I just want to sum up this class with this scripture here. I mean, this journal entry with this scripture. It just kind of sums everything up. And that is, be devoted to one another in love. Honor one another above yourselves. Now, what I'm getting out of that from this class, especially from session 3, is that neglecting yourself is not honoring above, like is not honoring one another above yourself. You don't need to neglect yourself to honor one another above yourself, and that's what I've learned from this class. Thank you.